In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional product mockup using ChatGPT and Canva. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and easy to follow, even if you've never made a mockup before. The goal here is to turn a basic idea into a polished visual that looks clean, realistic, and ready to share online, whether that's for a shop, social media, or a presentation. Start by opening ChatGPT and clearly describing the kind of mockup you want to create. Be as specific as possible about the style, setting, and overall look. For example, you might want a laptop on a desk, a framed poster in a modern room, or an ebook cover displayed on a tablet. The more details you give, the better the result will be because ChatGPT can help shape your idea into something more visual and usable. Next, ask ChatGPT to create a detailed image prompt for that mockup. This is useful if you're planning to generate the image with an AI image tool, or if you simply want a more refined description to work from. A strong prompt should include the object, background, lighting, perspective, colors, and mood. That extra detail helps create a mock-up image that feels more professional and intentional. Once you have the prompt, generate or prepare your mock-up image. If you're using an AI image generator, this is where you create the base image. If you already have a stock image or a mock-up background prepared, that works too. Just make sure the image has enough space and the right angle for your design to fit naturally. After that, open Canva and create a new design. Choose a size that matches where you plan to use the final mockup. For example, you may want a square layout for social media or a vertical layout for a product listing. Starting with the right dimensions will save time later. Now upload the mockup image into Canva and place it onto your canvas. Then add your product design, text, or digital product cover. This could be a logo, book cover, worksheet preview, packaging design, or any other visual you want to showcase. Take your time adjusting the placement so everything looks realistic. Resize it carefully, align it with the perspective of the mockup, and make sure it blends naturally into the scene. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how polished the final result feels. When everything looks right, save or export your final mockup design. Choose a high quality file format so your image stays sharp and professional. And that's it. You now have a custom mockup created with ChatGPT and Canva